We got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey.
Oh,
No
Lord.
cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, y'all, it's 60BaeGrey around there. Hey, we gonna go outside, we gonna take a ride, and we gonna show y'all what it is and what we do and how we do it. 60BaeGrey, the real trip, no cap. Okay, hey guys, let's go out here and take a look at Drippy. Okay, I think I left the key outside, but we'll see. What?
Uh-oh.
Where's Drippy at? You really? What? What? Oh my. Oh. Oh wow. Emergency, emergency. That I had. Okay, guys, we're back in the car. We did the walk around. We did the drive. Fortnite rules. All right, let's start this. Let's huckleberry up. Adjusting the seats. All right, seatbelt. I'll start her up in a second. I'm taking over now. Okay. We're gonna change something here. Oh! Oh. Okay. Sports mode. See if we get sporty with it. There's nothing to say. Just enjoy the ride, players. FORTNITE. Engine in the back. Okay. 60BaeGrey. He's not the real Drip. I am the real Drip. Think I'm being followed. The police are chasing me now. Cars in front of me. Oh, there's a light. They'll never catch me. They'll never catch me. Driving fast. Not yet, anyway. Some things that we must do. 60BaeGrey. Shock and surprise. Shocked and surprised. Yes. I've been gone at least 4 hours. We're going to put the car back. And he'll never know who took it. Put the car back. Let's open up the garage door. Thank you for riding with FORTNITE. Okay. Now that the garage door is open, we can put the car back. He'll never know. He'll think his mind is playing tricks on him. Okay, let's pull it. Okay, we gotta be quiet. Shh. All right. Let me go into my special hiding place. I'll see you guys soon. I gotta sneak back into my special hiding place. I gotta lock it up. Close the garage door. Shh. Okay, guys, I'll see you. Bye. Hey guys, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, look, the car came up missing. 4 hours later, I've been on the phone trying to find where my car is, called OnStar, because they called me. I called the police, and this is ridiculous. So let's just go back out here, and let me just show you what I'm talking about. So, what? The car's back! Oh, yes, the car is back now. I'm sorry, I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something. Hey guys, look, I don't know what's going on. The real drip is back in the garage. Somebody's got some explaining to do. Somebody took the car. I gotta find out who it was. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. I am pissed. Yeah!
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You cello 60, 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell him 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lay. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun.